welcome back to my channel. Today's there's not really good lighting in here, but I have Haley, Aaliyah, Alexis, Adriana, Gabby, Tony, Bryn, Mary, and Matt is a special guest. It's Alexis's boyfriend.
Who's Matt?
Oh, your boyfriend. And we followed a tutorial of Bob Ross.
She forgot his name.
I have no idea how this came out after editing. We didn't talk much to the camera, but hopefully I can fill in and find some things we were talking about.
Anyways, I'm the only one with talent, so that's all you need to know.
That's why you got fourth place.
Anyways, enjoy.
They always make me work so hard editing because they do nothing in the camera, so. Okay, ready?
Ready?
If you would like to know how our paintings came out, then keep on watching! We're recording.
We're live.
Hi. We're gonna turn around our, ready? So this is our stars.
Wow.
We're following something with the summer, and he already had a black bottom.
I'm gonna go grab pizza. Do you guys want cheese? I get one of each.
Do you have Venmo?
I don't need you to pay me. It's not a big deal.
Don't you make it something small, it's huge. No.
Raise your hand if you want to jump, Mary.
Boston accent.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet.
That's gonna be good content though.
Well, you don't have to, but she just started putting orange, but it's like a darker.
Don't give her help. Let her drown.
And your beeswax, man.
Yeah, let her down.
Hey, I drowned it in when I was little in Mrs. Jones's pool. Nobody knew I was in the deep end. I'm so serious.
I don't. I'm so serious, guys. I'm not even lying.
As if we're like, nah. Is this supposed to be a sun? What is this?
He's got like good
Motherfucker.
paint. We give excuses because we're bad. He's got like good paint.
Yeah, he eventually goes all the way. Aaliyah, sing us some tunes. I hate that song.
Turns out.
That woman.
How's everyone doing? Turn around.
You don't tell me what to do just because you're blam ass.
We have to give some type of like entertainment of what we're doing.
I don't care about the audience.
The audience can suck my dick.
Guys, kiss or diss? How are we doing?
Not great, Lauren. This is so pride.
Wait, let's turn it around one now first.
Sandy.
Oh.
Lauren, ha! We're turning this into a mukbang.
Guys, Adriana's here.
Well, Mary's really ahead.
Yeah, she's a cheating ass.
I dropped out of college.
No.
Adriana, where do you want to sit?
Why? Yeah,
I can't work for.
He mixed blue and red.
When?
You got all of this tutorial?
I can't hear anything, Gabby.
Thanks a lot, you idiot.
Don't need How many mountains are there?
3. Girl, what's wrong?
I'm in.
So why you ain't leave them? Cause
I'm just saying that.
guys, my grandma always says 5 o'clock somewhere.
Hey guys, anybody wondering how my new job is going? No.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna tell you anyways.
10 minutes.
I snotted on myself. I laughed.
Bam.
Oh my god,
You guys
did
me.
good.
Please, can somebody go to the bathroom with me, please? No, why? Oh no. You're almost 18 years old.
No, Aaliyah.
So, I don't understand the problem.
You're grown, you can take yourself. No one wants to go. That's your problem.
Oh my god,
I would go. Go down with Melody,
Wow. So I looked down and I thought, oh, every pig's
Bread.
She turns around, that's all she needed. Bryn!
I was like, okay, I'll come back.
Can you smell? You guys are all. I didn't hear the thing. That's mine. This is Lauren's.
I had this.
This is mine. Look at her, look at her.
I have a lot of some.
Oh, shit! A ghost!
Bryn, stop moving the table.
Mr. Delandry. Yeah, Paula's uncle's
Here we go.
No,
Here we go again.
I'm just doing like literally every aspect of nature in this one thing.
Lauren, I have to use your toilet. Hey, what did you just say to me?
I feel like I'm really like swimming in that.
What did you just say to me? Yeah, I just farted.
Look at my painting. We hate your painting. That blows.
I drew feet.
I tortured my pastor.
Kiss me. I need to go to the bathroom badly.
I fucked boudoir.
Deb, 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 deb.
Why did you?
Heard you got that drip, 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 drip. On my wrist. And then I come over, quick. I can live it like Will Smith.
In the background.
Bum. I look good.
Remember when Lauren used to be jacked?
Yeah, what happened?
No, just specifically her arms were so muscular and I was
I'm just slipping that in there because they were talking about it. So I thought maybe someone wants to see that I'm still jacked. I don't care. I don't need to prove myself. You know what? I care a little bit. So that's why I put it in. I've even gotten a little bigger. I haven't gotten smaller, I swear. You know what? No one cares.
I'm done. I just annihilated your bathroom. This is my finished piece.
Can I have the white?
Hello. It has flowers, fish, trees, mountains, sun, clouds, birds, snowflakes, raindrops, lightning. The whole shoot shebang.
I saw that, but it just. Hey, boo.
Hey, guys.
Oh, she got to say goodbye.
I'm Catholic.
Gabby, what are the belly dancing contest? Yes.
Yes, go up to the camera.
Adriana, you killed that.
Get up there.
Oh, go.
Hit your stomach and it gives you ass.
I'd love to see it. Yeah, I love that. Okay.
Get it. Yes. Get more in the video.
Get it.
I mean, not that.
This is my competition.
Yeah, street. Get more in the video.
Oh, but you're
This is mine. In conclusion, I have talent and you don't.
Okay, next. This is Aaliyah. This is Brit. Okay, next. This is Tony. Yeah, we did you already. This is Mary. This is Becky. This is Alexis. Aaliyah, get out.
And this is mine.
Glam Mask.
Glam Masses. This is Matt's
Matt.
picture. Let him have a time, Aaliyah. He deserves it.
Oh, yeah. Hey. I need to tell them where mine is.
Okay.
The trash.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video,
Like and comment and subscribe.
What is this?
that's a microphone.
No, but why is it hairy?
This goes out to Africa. If you see me in the streets, it's